What's up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine now friends. Once again welcome back to another video. In this video we discuss that when will Shiba going to hit a $1 my friends. My friends, as you know, it is the end of month and the new months are starting soon, so that is why we want to predict the Shiba token. Can Shiba hit a $1 and the next month? Can Shiba price rise in the next month? Can Shiba take jump in the next month? Let me show you friends, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, we discuss that what's going on in the future and the Shiba token, my friends. So before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, the latest price of the Shiba at this time in the market, you can see here 0.00008 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the Shiba. On the other side, if we look the price change occur in the Shiba, so positive change occur in the Shiba now. From yesterday, the price change become positive, so this means that the Shiba start moving upward, and it is after tomorrow, the next day as the June day, 1st June. So as I told you, my friends, in the previous videos, that the big jump of the Shiba token are coming soon. So please, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. What do you think? My personal suggestion is that it's time to hold, not to sell, because I know Shiba token take jump in the start of a new month. You can see here, if you look the previous price chart, that is the last 1 month price chart of Shiba token. You can see in the start of month they start jumping, and after jumping after 10 days the price is again fast down, and now it is the start of new month, so there is a lot of chances to they take a jump. And if they take a jump, so absolutely they will hit a $1 my friends, or 0.70 USD dollar friends. So easily they can hit a $1 if they take a jump in the future, my friends. What do you think? My prediction about Shiba token is 100% positive, and I believe that Shiba token will give us good amount of profit. I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba token. Anyways, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Stay for investing and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.